Hello, fellow green thumbs and aspiring homesteaders. Have you ever dreamed of growing your own food, reducing your waste, and living a more self-sufficient life, even with just a small backyard? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into transforming even the most modest outdoor space into a thriving, productive homestead. It's not about having acres of land, it's about smart planning and making every square foot count. We'll explore practical steps to maximize your yield, conserve resources, and truly connect with your food source. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and discover the incredible potential right outside your back door. Before you dig your first hole, take a good look at your backyard. Observe how the sun moves across your property throughout the day and across different seasons. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily to flourish. Map out your sunny spots and shaded areas. This crucial step will dictate what you can grow and where. Don't forget to consider any existing structures or trees that might cast shadows. Once you understand your sun patterns, it's time to design. Think vertically and creatively to maximize your growing area. Raised beds are fantastic for small spaces, offering better drainage and easier soil management. Consider trellises, arbors, and hanging baskets to utilize vertical space for climbing plants like beans, cucumbers, or even small squash. Every inch can be productive with thoughtful planning. The foundation of any successful garden is healthy soil. Don't just plant in whatever dirt you have. Invest time in improving it. Good soil is teeming with life and nutrients, essential for robust plant growth. Start by adding plenty of organic matter like compost, aged manure, or leaf mold. This enriches the soil structure, improves drainage, and boosts its water-holding capacity. Healthy soil means healthier plants and bigger harvests. Choosing the right plants for your small homestead is key. Focus on high-yield crops that offer a good return on your space investment. Think about what your family eats most often. Prioritize compact varieties, bush types, and determinate plants that don't sprawl excessively. Consider succession planting to harvest multiple crops from the same space throughout the growing season. Water is a precious resource, and efficient irrigation is vital for a small homestead. Drip irrigation systems or soaker hoses deliver water directly to the plant roots, minimizing waste. This method is far more effective than overhead watering. Consider installing a rain barrel to collect rainwater from your roof. This free, chemical-free water is excellent for your plants and reduces your reliance on municipal water supplies. It's a simple yet powerful step towards self-sufficiency. A true homestead closes the loop on waste, and composting is central to this philosophy. All your kitchen scraps, garden trimmings, and even cardboard can be transformed into rich, nutrient-dense compost. This black gold feeds your soil. A small compost bin or worm farm can easily fit into a corner of your backyard. It reduces landfill waste and provides a continuous supply of free fertilizer for your garden. It's a win-win for your plants and the planet. Depending on your local ordinances and space, small livestock can significantly boost your self-sufficiency. A few backyard chickens can provide fresh eggs and excellent pest control. Their droppings also make fantastic compost. Bees are another incredible option, offering honey and vital pollination services for your garden. Always check local regulations and ensure you have adequate space and resources to care for any animals responsibly. Think beyond just food production. How can your backyard contribute to overall resource efficiency? Consider solar-powered garden lights or a small solar panel to power a water pump. Every little bit helps. Even simple actions like mulching your garden beds reduce water evaporation and suppress weeds, saving you time and resources. Look for opportunities to conserve and reuse wherever possible. Growing your own food is only half the battle. Preserving it ensures year-round self-sufficiency. Learn basic preservation techniques like canning, freezing, drying, or fermenting. These skills are invaluable. Even with a small harvest, preserving allows you to enjoy your homegrown bounty long after the growing season ends. It reduces your grocery bill and ensures you have healthy food on hand. Continuously learn and experiment. Every season brings new lessons and opportunities to refine your methods. Embrace the process of discovery and adaptation in your backyard. You'll be amazed at how much you can produce and how rewarding it feels to eat food grown with your own hands. Your small backyard holds immense potential. So, get out there, get growing, and enjoy the incredible journey to self-sufficiency.